You how to post a house for rent on Facebook Marketplace, a fantastic platform for reaching potential tenants easily and efficiently. Let's dive right in to make sure your rental property stands out and attracts the right attention. First, you'll want to navigate to Facebook Marketplace directly. If you're on your Facebook homepage, you can easily spot the Marketplace icon on the left-hand side of your screen, usually a little storefront symbol. Once you've clicked on that, look for the plus Create New Listing button, typically located at the top or within the interface. Select Homes for Rent as your listing type. This step is essential because it ensures your listing reaches those specifically searching for rental properties. After you selected the correct category, it's time to get into the nitty-gritty details. Enter all relevant property details, including a catchy title that stands out in people's feeds. Think of something descriptive yet concise, highlighting a unique feature of your property. For example, bright 3-bedroom home with garden views. Next, accurately set the price. You want to be competitive but realistic, aligned with the current market for your area. Don't forget to include the location. Use the full address to ensure the listing appears correctly in location-based searches. Now, focus on the interior details. The number of bedrooms and bathrooms, as these are crucial filters for anyone looking at rentals. A compelling detailed description adds value. Describe the property's highlights, whether it's a modern kitchen, spacious living areas, or proximity to local amenities. Make it inviting. This narrative creates a vision for potential renters, making them more likely to contact you for a viewing. Including photographs is critical. They're the first impression tenants will have of your property. Make sure these photos are high quality. Capture clear and bright images of each room and the exterior. It's worthwhile to spend a little time on staging. A tidy, well-lit space photographs much better and creates a professional appearance in the listing. Once you're satisfied that your listing is informative and visually appealing, the final step is to hit Publish Listing. This action pushes your rental out to marketplace viewers. Immediately after publishing, double-check how the listing appears from a viewer's perspective. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to effectively listing your rental property on Facebook Marketplace, maximizing exposure to your ideal tenant pool. Ensure you manage inquiries promptly and be ready to schedule viewings, as a quick response can keep your potential renters engaged. Good luck with your listing, and here's to finding the perfect tenant for your house.